4. Today we're going to make shortbread biscuits, and they are super simple. We're making these because yesterday, Sunday, was International Baking Day. Okay, so for our shortbread, you just need 3 very simple ingredients. 125 grams of butter, 55 grams of caster sugar, and 180 grams of plain flour. Okay, let's begin. First, you need to make sure that you wash your hands. Okay, we are going to put our butter, and it's better if it's a bit soft, into our bowl. And then we're going to add the sugar. We are going to mix these together until they form a smooth paste. Okay, once your butter and your sugar is all mixed together, we're going to start to slowly add in the flour. Just a little by little, always stirring. Make sure you use your spoon to really dig into the butter and sugar mixture so that the flour can also mix in. Once it gets to this point, I like to add in the rest of my flour and then begin to use my hands. Make sure you get all the mixture from the spoon. I'm going to mix all of this into one big ball. Okay, now you need to clear away your bowl, clean up everything, and put your mixture on your worktop. Now, when it comes to making your cookies, you can either pinch a little bit and flatten it out. Make sure you seal in all the edges if you want to make lots of little small ones. You can roll it into a finger and flatten it a little bit, or you can flatten out the whole mixture. I don't have too much space, so I'm just going to do a little for now. And if you have a cookie cutter, you can use your cookie cutter. So it's really up to you and up to whatever you have at home to decide what shape cookies you want. You can also use a small glass or a cup to make circle cookies. Okay, once you have made your trays of cookies, you get a pinch of caster sugar and you sprinkle it on top of all of your cookies or biscuits. You can add chocolate chips, Smarties, whatever you like into the mixture before this stage and before baking if you'd like to make chocolate chip shortbread cookies. Now, after you have sprinkled everything in sugar, you need to put both of your trays into the fridge to cool for 20 minutes before baking. So once your biscuits have been chilled in the fridge for 20 minutes, you're going to have to bake them. So you must ask an adult for help, especially for this part. So before you take them out of the fridge, you need to preheat your oven to 190 degrees if it's an electric fan oven, or gas mark 5 if you have a gas oven. Then we're going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are a light golden brown color. Okay, make sure you ask an adult to help you take them out of the oven and make sure you keep checking on them every few minutes to make sure they don't burn. Okay, year 4, here are my finished shortbread biscuits. They took around 16 minutes in the oven at 190 degrees. They're still very, very hot, so make sure you ask an adult to get them out of the oven for you and let them cool before you eat them. I hope you enjoy. Goodbye.